Buy for $10. Sell for $200. There are millions of clients begging for them. Picture this, you're working for about an hour while you earn about 100x what you're earning now. I have undeniable proof from companies doing exactly this already. Here is a screenshot showing the prices they are getting. I'm going to show you how to get an unlimited number of accounts for $10 and sell them for $200 each. Don't miss your chance to learn this. I can't wait to share this unique business. All you need is a laptop computer with internet connection, and the instructions. Build a $10,000 monthly income stream in under 30 days, then grow it to over $1 million a year in just 6 months. But the best part, there is no physical location, no rent, no employees, no physical products to buy, store and ship. Do it in your spare time. Can be done from anywhere. You have never seen anything like this. I will explain exactly how this works in the next video. Subscribe so you don't miss this opportunity.